already know who it is, man. Your boy Ricky, Life of Ricky. Checking back in with yet again another video, man. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel and turn on post notification bell, man. But, man, I got a lot of stuff coming for the channel, man. A lot of heat. You feel me? I got a lot of heat coming for the channel, man. So make sure y'all subscribe to the channel and turn on post notification bell. Y'all can see, man, I just got me a window mount, so I'm able to record with my phone, you know, without having it in my hand or whatever. So just a little upgrade, just a little TT, you feel me? But I got a lot of shit coming for the channel. I'm bringing car reviews back, so I'm about to start back reviewing the cars, man. I'm linking up with different car clubs now, so we're gonna be linking up, doing some videos or whatever. So I got that coming. What else I got coming? I'm about to start back doing giveaways. Oh yeah, follow my car channel on Instagram, Flashy Whips 1. Flashy Whips 1. My personal Instagram page is just Ricky. So just Ricky. My Facebook is Ricky McBride. Oh, we shaky. But yeah, man, that's why I post everything at. So if I'm about to drop a new video, I post it on there. Boy, South Carolina roads is trash. But so that's where I'm about to be posting. That's why I post updates basically, or whatever. And so I'm supposed to be going to another car meet on the 28th at the GoPro Motorplex, and it's on the other side of Charlotte. I can't remember exactly where it's at, but I got invited out there by Josie, so I'm gonna end up going out there and have me some fun, man, or whatever. But just a little update for the channel, man. This ain't a long video or whatever. I'm gonna put a little clip at the end though. I'm gonna put a little clip at the end when I was racing up in Charlotte, first time racing my car or whatever. So I'm gonna put that at the end of the video, give y'all something to entertain y'all, you feel me? But y'all already know who it is, man. Your boy Ricky, Mr. You know I gotta get that footage, checking out with another video. Bangers.